Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you on how to lock your Facebook profile account. So sometimes maybe you feel like sending someone a friend request and you want to view their profile to see their picture, their history. So what you just do, you just say something like this person locked his profile. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to lock your own profile. So firstly, click on the stereo icon on the top right corner and it's going to take you to this place where it says settings. So you have to click on settings and scroll down to where it says lock profile. So you have to click on lock profile. So right now your profile is being locked. Let me just refresh it. You can see that it says that you locked your profile. So this is how to lock your profile. So I'm going to teach you the easy method on how to do this. Let me just unlock it. Unlock. So right now I've unlocked the profile. So you can see you have unlocked your profile. So let me just teach you guys the easy method on how to do this, the easy and fastest method. So come to your Facebook, click on your Facebook profile. So it's going to take you right here. Click on the TV icon right there. Click on the TV icon right there, which is there, and it's going to take you to this set of options. Click on lock profile. Just tap on lock profile and press lock your profile. So right now your account is locked, your profile is locked. So right now nobody can see your pictures, your images that you have posted except your friends. So this is how to lock your profile account. This is how to lock your profile. So let me just unlock it again. So you've seen the account is unlocked. So thank you guys for watching this amazing video. Please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.